Rolling.
Right. Okay, so I'm making candles. Beeswax, pure beeswax candles. So this is part of the process. I'm going to fill right here with chunks of beeswax and keep this liquid so that I can fill this one, because these are my dippers, but they're pretty tall, so they have to go all the way down. So that wax has to be high. So I think this is dip number 11 or 12. But I have 2 of these. And sure would be nice to have a lot more of these. But they're gonna hang here and get cooler, and then I'll dip them again and then cool, and then like 30 or 40 seconds. I kind of wait and then I do it again. And then we will cut them free and hang them in there. So I love dipping candles during Hanukkah.